In this video of 1-2 step, I'm going to show you how to log in to your MBNA or Maryland Bank and National Association. If you also have an account of MBNA, let me show you the quick process of logging in. Search your MBNA login on the search bar of your web browser. Now, depending upon your country, you can also add in the name of your country. Just click on the first link if you're from the UK, or click on this link which says MBNA.ca, or Canada if you're from Canada. Once you're on the website, you would be able to see a login button on the top right of the screen, or you should also be able to see it on the home screen. Click on the login option and you're going to be directed to the login section. Now in this first box, you need to type in the username that is associated with your account. And in the second box, type in the password as well. If you want this device to remember your username, the next time you open up this website, you can check this box. This way you do not need to type in your username each time you visit. For some reason, if you don't remember the username or the password of your account, you can click on the Forgotten Your Login Details link, and through this section you can choose to recover any of these information. Once you type in both of your credentials, you can now click on Continue. So that is the way that you can log in to your MBNA account. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.